Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can translate English language to Spanish language in Google Translate. So if this sounds helpful, then keep watching the video till the end. Now firstly, what you need to do is open the website of Google Translate, which is translate.google.com. And after you land on this website, select the English option in the first box and then select the Spanish option in the second box. You can search for Spanish and then you can type in any text in the first box and then it will be automatically converted to Spanish. If you want, you can also play the voice.
Buenos días.
And similar to that, you can choose any other language that is available on Google Translate. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and we will be back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.